Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Phil Devasto. I'm here at Hosmer Chiropractic Health. What I want to review with you today is how to get in and loosen up some of the deep, bigger muscles in the low back. A couple ways we like to do that. Either using the Alphaball, which is a little bit softer, a little bit more forgiving, especially if it's kind of an acute issue and things are really tight. But then as you're working through things, definitely upgrading into something a little bit more intense like the Supernova. So we'll start with the Alphaball here. Now, ideally, you would have already mobilized the joints with the lumbar flow, maybe done a little bit of the spine twist stretch, and then this is just something to get in a little bit deeper into the muscle group right along that spine at the very bottom. So what we're going to do is we're going to lay on our backs. The side we're working on, the leg is going to be completely straight, and the other side is bent up. And I'm just going to kind of roll my body away and just get this ball positioned. I don't want to be on the spine, so I'm just next to the spine, right into that muscle group. And from there, I'm just going to relax onto it. And now this whole left side is going to stay relaxed, and I'm going to control everything with this right foot. And so all I can do here is just push weight into my right foot, kind of prop me up over that ball. And now I have a lot of pressure. That ball is really working in that muscle. And I can do a couple things from here. I could kind of keep turning my torso and kind of rolling it back and forth along the edge of that muscle. I can also put a little bit of weight into this foot and actually kind of move up and down to kind of work through it. I can come off and move that ball either higher or lower, a little bit left, a little bit right. Ideally, what you want to do is try to get in and find some of those spots that feel tight, that feel a little bit tender, and roll through until you feel like you made some change in that tissue. Usually a couple minutes is our minimum dose, so when you're doing this, think about spending a couple minutes on each side, getting in and really trying to find those spots. We have a saying here at the clinic, we call it seek and destroy. So find those spots that feel tight and get in there and try to break up some of those tight trigger points in there. The one other way that you can do this would be a little bit on your side. You can get into this kind of side plank position and have that ball positioned right in through the back of some of those muscles. And now I can kind of use my core to kind of turn myself down into that ball and actually roll through some of the stuff that way. And I can go through the back or way in through some of the muscles on the side. So same kind of thing if you're using the Supernova. It's a lot more intense, so go easy when you start this one. But get on in there, see if you can loosen up some of those muscles. And like I said, pair this with the lumbar foam rolling flow. You could do the SI foam rolling flow, both of which are on our YouTube channels, and also check out the spine twist. Those are probably some of the better things to be working on if you have a sore or tight low back.